Everybody stand. filled with wisdom, and the grace of God was upon him. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise the Lord Jesus Christ. Take of your home, the home where we came up, is all they are away from the home. And as much as possible, and informal, kaya trabaho, iaalala ka, manakita ng maganda, manakita ng maganda. Kaya pinagamaan, hindi magkikasang salita, kadali pinagkakasa, naganda, kakabagyan. They start communicating, organizing themselves. Kasi na pumalagin ang kataksa, ang plano, tapos pinasta, ang karanasan, iniinga palagawin. Makita tayo ito, itibukod tayo ang pamilya, ang of an institution. Kasi na pumalita, the family of the Israeli, the alumni of time. What is happening was, one time, during this December, I was invited to a certain family reunion. And while I was there, I overheard some members of the family recounting or reminiscing their experiences. Una niyo ba isa? Nagkatalunan niya. Ilimupin kayo. Pagpupunta kayo, hindi kayo. Sino ang dati na itinipos nito yun? Emma said, isang ano, nakita pa ita, asin siya, ang binita, pero wala rin. That is, and the family. And another family said, in one family, I overheard also members. Ni tata, nagano kabawa, tiing paay na kanya. Nung masalot na ka ng eskwela, susunod na kapautin. They try to reminisce the funny events in their life and those that were not so funny. The happy moments and those that are not so happy. Meaning to say all that had transpired in the family. One time, a group of priests going back to that certain priest. Now, during the formation days, when we received that evaluation letter, in which it was indicated for ordination, and he was relying on the mercy of his bishop, Unana, ibinagin ang laylahay at inisakit kinamit ko. Ngayon na panunod ko maawaan, hindi maipaay na nasaya at isakit anagin. But I understand that God is really calling me to the peace. And after couple of years, until provisions he became a priest. And he is now looking forward to the silver anniversary of his priesthood. Maybe, puray ka wala na kumasi ang mga kaskoy. You say the words. When mo na tayo, puray kumawag pinitil ko yung kaskoy ng lahat. And so now we remember with all our mentors and our tormentors. No? The mentors and the tormentors. No? But, as I said, whatever experience we had undergone, we must see to what we are now. So let us rekindle from behind the sense as we also look or revisit this family. We give ears to St. Paul as we address his words to the church ni San Pablo kadang-kadang Tagapagos. Nga ipagpagana at ipagpagana naman dahil natin kakapagin ang alat binigyan ko. Ay so nailap na iti pamilya nga itin kada tayo ni Apos. Saan kayo apatusukan? Iti anyaman at kinabakna. That wherever I was assigned, I was always able to find the one na nasilip kanya, maibilang bukas kapsa, maibilang bukas na dalaman. Lemuray ko ang ito. I would say personally, I still miss my parents. I still miss my